Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to create your Neteller account quickly and easily. First of all, open your browser and go to the Neteller's official website. On the homepage, click the Join Now button to start the registration process. Select your country or currency. Then enter your email address and choose a strong password. Once you are ready, click Next. Check your inbox for verification email from Neteller. Enter the verification code you received and click Next to proceed. Now, enter your first and last name, your date of birth, and select your occupation. Hit Next when you are done. Provide your address, postal code, city, and follow the on-screen instructions. Then enter your phone number for verification. Finally, set up a 6-digit code to secure your account. And that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Neteller account. Thanks for watching.